So I think like people have this conception, I have this conception myself, like I always see on nutrition labels, they're like, whoa, the recommended daily value, like consumption volume is like 200 calories. Like, or how should people manage that, or how much people should be eating?
Well, they base a human's normal caloric intake at 2,000 calories a day. Again, that's to maintain weight and a healthy lifestyle, but everybody's different. Your 2,000 calories might be a lot different than my 2,000 calories, depending by what it is that you're eating, your activity level. All that stuff comes into factors to play, because remember, your body's awake and it's burning calories at the same time. So if I'm going through a workout, I'm burning a lot more calories than, say, someone who's typing on a keyboard all day. And this is where things add up. And then it's also that decision on what I'm eating versus what they're eating. So for example, let's just throw that out there. A 500 calorie burger as opposed to 500 calorie avocados with lean proteins, protein shakes, stuff like that. It's just a difference. The way your body's going to react to it is different. Which is also why the ingredients of food on those labels are there, because you start seeing what the processed stuff is. But there's a lot of stuff into that. So
if you're typing on the computer, if you're typing faster, does it help you with calories?
It might be a little bit better for a forearm workout.